Are you looking for the best square outdoor canopies? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best square outdoor canopies on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. COOSHADE 13 by 13 foot pop-up canopy tent. The COOSHADE canopy tent provides easy setup with its fully assembled one-piece frame, and offers extra shade with its extended eave awning design. It includes several unique features, such as drain holes to alleviate water ponding, a wind-vented double-top design for increased stability, and 99% UV protection from the sun. The tent comes with a fully assembled powder-coated steel frame, a flame-retardant silver-coated canopy top, a wear-resistant roller bag, sandbags, stakes, and ropes. What we like: easy 1-minute setup. Extra shade with extended eave awning design. Unique features like drain holes and wind-vented double-top design. Number 2. Driftalia 10 by 10 pop-up canopy tent. The Driftalia pop-up canopy is designed for easy and quick setup, taking less than 5 minutes with 2 people, so you can spend more time enjoying your event. Its strong frame supports up to 120 pounds and stays steady even when it's windy, making it reliable for backyard gatherings or camping trips. You'll appreciate its lightweight and compact design that fits neatly into a carry bag, making transport simple and convenient. Inside, the canopy offers plenty of space to comfortably fit a table and chairs for 6 to 8 people, perfect for group activities and outdoor fun. What we like: sturdy metal frame. Easy, quick setup. Thick, weather-resistant fabric. Full sidewalls for protection. Convenient carry bag included. Number 3. COOSHADE 10 by 10 pop-up canopy. The COOSHADE pop-up canopy offers a quick and easy setup with its one-button center lock system, allowing you and a friend to have it ready in seconds without tools. Its canopy fabric attaches fast with clips and provides excellent UPF 50+ sun protection, keeping you cool and safe during outdoor activities. The sturdy, water and flame-resistant fabric also features vents to prevent wind damage and rain pooling. Thanks to the STONGO system, you can collapse and store the tent easily with all accessories included, and even move it while set up using the built-in wheels. This 10 by 10 tent gives you plenty of space and headroom, making it perfect for parties or outdoor events. What we like: easy 1-button setup. UPF 50+ sun protection. Water and flame-resistant fabric. Convenient STONGO storage. Spacious 10 by 10 canopy size. Number 4. ABCCANOPY 10 by 20 pop-up canopy tent with sidewalls. The ABCCANOPY pop-up canopy tent with sidewalls is a commercial-grade, 10 by 20 feet pop-up tent that provides 200 square feet of shade coverage, suitable for about 15 to 20 people. With its fully assembled frame, the tent can be set up in seconds by 1 or 2 people without any tools. The tent is made of a commercial-grade, full truss structure that is bigger and stronger than cheaper alternatives in the market, withstanding strong wind. Its 500 denier polyester canopy material is 100% waterproof and has a heat-sealed seam to prevent water from penetrating the seams. The tent can be used for various outdoor events such as trade shows, parties, picnics, and camping. It comes with 4 removable sidewalls, 2 door walls, a roller bag, 6 weight bags, for stakes, and ropes, making it convenient and practical for any occasion. What we like: easy to set up. Commercial-grade canopy material. Waterproof. Number 5. Tangkula 10 by 10 foot pop-up canopy with mesh netting. The Tangkula pop-up canopy is designed for easy and quick setup, letting you have shelter ready in just minutes without any tools. Its portable design means you can take it anywhere with ease. Made from durable Oxford fabric, this canopy is waterproof and paired with a strong powder-coated steel frame, ensuring it stands firm even in tough weather. You'll appreciate the large 10 by 10 foot space that comfortably fits 6 to 8 people, perfect for outdoor gatherings. Plus, the 4 removable mesh walls offer great airflow and visibility, keeping insects out while letting you enjoy fresh air and privacy whenever you want. What we like: easy setup and portability. Waterproof Oxford fabric. Sturdy steel frame. Spacious 100 square foot area. Removable mesh walls.